Hey guys, Cyberdinner here. Time for the August Antipodean Witch Box unboxing. No. So unsatisfying. Oh, I love it already. My favorite color is definitely green, so this is exciting for me. Pamphlet which says the 15th of August, Kangaroo Moon. We've got a nice piece of like an emeraldy green felt. I'm curious to see how it can be used. Consecrated bath salts for luck. So it's a blend of sea salt, Himalayan salts, magnesium salts, peppermint, spearmint, native mint and essential oils. And it smells super minty. Nice. Two green spell candles. Resin and herb, luck of Brigid incense blend. So I would guess from that the doll is a Brigid's doll or something similar to that. Nutmeg. Green adventuring. No. Green aventurine. Always the struggle when you play roleplay games and you are an adventurer to want to just call everything an adventure, but it's not. Nephrite jade. Oh, that's nice. I love the black coming through that. Anise myrtle. I don't think I'm gonna like this. I don't like star anise. I don't like licorice. It's just not my thing. Although that is not too strong on those kind of scents, so maybe we'll give it a go. Ooh, awesome. A piece of unakite. Mint. A 4-leaf clover pendant. A little straw hanging wreath. A piece of green thread. our sigil and affirmation for luck. I'm really loving the Celtic runes. The affirmation says, "Good things are happening around me and to me all the time. I welcome serendipity and luck into my life." The almanac for August 2019 is the 1st of August is the new moon. The 2nd of August is Imbolc / Candlemas. The 8th of August is the first quarter. The 15th of August is the full moon, the Kangaroo moon. And the 24th of August is the last quarter. So in this month's box we have got Bridget's Good Luck Straw Charms. So that would be this one here. The Bridget doll. This is Bridget's blanket. Here our shamrock pendant. The Not Magic cord. Luck of Bridget resin and herb incense blend. So it has frankincense, myrrh, benzoin, pershocha leaves, and essential oils. The luck sigil and affirmation. The luck consecrated bath salts. The hand-dipped spell candles. The Australian native anise myrtle. The mint. The nutmeg. The aventurine. The nephrite jade. And the unakite. So it also has the Kangaroo Moon Luck Knot Ritual on the back. We've got the deities of Luck and a Blessed Bridget cake recipe. And that's everything that I got in the August Antipodean Witch box. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!